Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity so the update can proceed reliably. Plug both devices in, make sure battery is at least 50%. On your iPhone, join a stable Wi-Fi network and turn off VPN or mobile hotspot that can interrupt downloads. Open the Watch app, go to General then Software Update, and tap to check again. You do this now because an interrupted download causes the preparing step to hang. Keeping devices close maintains Bluetooth and sync during the process. Once done with initial checks, force close the Watch app and restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch to clear transient errors. If the update still shows preparing, open the Watch app, locate the stalled update under Software Update, and delete the update file so you can re-download a fresh copy. Then reinitiate the update download while both devices remain on chargers and near each other. You do this because corrupted files or cache states often freeze the preparing stage. A clean delete plus, you now let the update install fully. Keep the Apple Watch and iPhone connected to power and Wi-Fi until the progress completes to avoid bricking. If preparing or installation still stalls, unpair the watch from the iPhone. This automatically backs up and removes the watch. Then repair and restore from the backup before trying the update again. As a final tip, if problems persist, contact Apple support or visit a Genius bar. They can run diagnostics and resolve firmware-level faults you cannot fix at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.